Hi Aries, welcome back to Omkara Tarot and to another love read. Let's see Aries, what's going on with you now, what's going on with your person and what action we can expect now. And these are general collective readings. Aries will not resonate with all of you. Please keep that in mind, take what works for you and leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Aries and send them the messages they need to hear the most today. Thank you. All right, Aries, let's start your reading. Welcome back, all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. And Aries, if you're new here, we welcome you as well. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. So Aries, newbies, I'm setting down two sets of cards here. One side is for you, one side will be for your person, and in the center, I'm going to see your mutual energies, your dialogue message cards, etc. And these, for the duration of the reading, Aries, for me, this side is going to be person A, this side is going to be person B. If this is your storyline, of course, you'll know which side you resonate best with, right? So, here we are. Person A and person B. Bottom of my deck, I have the Nine of Cups in reverse, Aries. Somebody is feeling that none of their wishes are coming true here, especially in this love connection. Look at this. Nine of Cups is happiness, wish fulfillment, getting all your dreams come true, but it's upside down at the moment for one person at least, or maybe in the connection. So let me take a look at the cards here. Okay, Aries, from what I'm feeling, one person has recovered or is recovering big time and ready for a passionate new beginning in their life. Look at this. Ace of Wands, this is like excitement, passionate new beginning, starting something fresh, starting something new after taking some time out to maybe retreat and go within and heal from whatever's happened in this connection. Where the other person is concerned, Aries, this person wants this fight to end. They just want all the barriers to come down. Let's not fight anymore because they still want to take action. Somebody is very, very passionate still about the other person, it seems. King of Wands wanting attention from person A, I think. Feeling, just want to get out there and do something so that this fight can end and I can, take some passionate action once again. So let's see what's going to happen, Aries. I'm going to start as usual with some dialogue message cards. Let's see if you guys could say something to each other, what that would be, and then we'll do the rest of the reading. So Aries and their person, Spirit, if they could say something to each other now, what would that be? Aries and their person, if they could say something to each other now, what would that be, Spirit? One more. Oh, that's a lot of cards. I'm going to put some back, Aries, and shuffle them again. One more, Spirit, please. Thank you. I'm going to take a few more Aries from another deck. Aries and their person. Aries and their person. Lot of energy today with the cards flipping out. Okay, so let's start your reading. The first card I have here, Aries, says, I'm afraid that if I come back into your life that I'll hurt you again. Maybe they've already done that earlier and now as much as they want to take action, they are afraid that, it may lead to another conflict. What if I hurt my person again? I get defensive when I feel like you're getting too close for comfort. I may not be good enough for you. You seem to have high standards. I have a hard time focusing on you when I'm trying to build an empire. I've come to realize that I'm not more awakened than you. You are awake too. I can't stop thinking about the times we once shared. I keep hearing songs and it always reminds me of you and I. And the last card here, Aries, says, I have anger issues I'm working on. Maybe that's why there was a breakup. Somebody got defensive, may have said or done something, and now they're realizing, oh my God, I caused a fight, and my person doesn't want to be with me anymore. But they're saying they're trying to work on their anger issues now. But from what I'm seeing on the other side, at least person A's side, as passionate as they probably were for person B, they've healed from whatever's happened between the two of you and ready for a new beginning. So let's start clarifying these cards, but before that, Aries, as always, I'm going to start with an angel blessing card. Let's see what my angels have for your read. My angels, blessing, guidance, advice, or a message for my Aries gang, please. Activist. Alright, so both of you are geared for action, but I'm not sure whether it's in the same direction, I'll be honest with you. I took a peek at the cards, and from what I feel, one person A is ready for action in their own life, and person B probably towards person A. But action is coming one way or the other, Aries. So person A, why do you have the Ace of Wands? Why do you have the... Forget about person B, okay, Aries, don't get confused. I'm only going to concentrate on side A. Let's see how they're feeling. Then we'll move on to the next set of cards, which will be the other person. So you could be either side, okay, remember that. I'm not saying person A is Aries or person B is Aries. So person A, why is the Ace of Wands here? Why are you feeling this way? Okay. Person A is coming out of feeling miserable. Yes. They're coming out of feeling sad or in lack, or feeling always left behind. All that is a thing of the past now. Whatever burdens that they were carrying, maybe of this connection, or if it was getting too heavy for them, I think this person has decided, I'm not interested. And this card is here twice for person A, Ace of Pentacles in reverse. So maybe they were waiting for a very long time, carrying all the burden of this connection on their shoulders, waiting for this new beginning which never came. So I think person A is kind of ready to call it quits. I'm not interested anymore. Four of Swords, person A. Why do you feel that way? Four of Swords. Four of Swords. Yes, like I said, they're healing, right? So Four of Swords, look at this person lying down here, kept their swords down, retreating. This is normally a card of that wounded warrior. In olden times, used to dig their own graves before going to war. And if they came back alive, then they'd lie down on that grave and think about what happened in the battle, and then they recuperate and thank God that I'm back alive. And yes, this person A could have gone through something like that, where they're realizing, yes, I didn't have victory in this, love connection. I got depleted. It became too heavy for me. I'm not interested whether, I still want to offer them any love or not. And because this person has taken so much time to heal themselves after this breakup, that I think person A is now on their way to achieving some level of success. This is huge success coming after a period of healing. So, person A, what happened to you in the recent past that you're feeling this way? Person A says that we had a big fight. Five of Swords. My person was very controlling. It was always, they were always playing these mind games. They were always trying to make me feel I was not good enough. They were trying to diminish my, self-confidence here. But you know what? I saw right through it. Yes, this person was trying to confuse me. They were trying to confuse me. They were trying to make me feel I was just another option to them. And that didn't make me feel very happy. Right? This is the overall energy of our reading as well, if you remember. We had, where did the deck go? Yeah, here it is. This was the Nine of Cups in reverse, even as our overall energy. So I think this is person A who felt that, none of their wishes were coming true. Their person was probably keeping them confused or making them feel like, hey, you're just an option in my life, always trying to win over them, be competitive over them. But because of this little meditation or healing or checking in with their spirit guides or whatever, person A saw through all the bullshit. Absolutely clear about what person B was trying to do, and what they ended up doing is taking back power, taking back control of their own life. No wonder they're having so much victory after, this healing. They suddenly become strong and they realize that, hey, I don't need them to make me feel this, that, and the other. I'm not interested in reconciling with them anymore, and I'm going to take back power, I'm the emperor of my own life, empress of my own life. So, Emperor, what did person A do, Spirit, in the recent past after healing? Healing. So basically they went quiet. They went within, they stopped communication and spent a long time in this Four of Swords energy. Again, this has come out the second time, right? So just retreated. And sometimes that happens, Aries. Instead of just talking, if you take a little time out, go into retreat, things become clear to you. And person A has done exactly that. They stopped communication, retreated, healed themselves, and because of all that they have now become clear on, they're managing to have a lot of victory and success in their own life. So person A, that's congratulations to you, but how do you feel about the connection now? Well, person A is saying, I'm the magician of my own life now. I have all the tools available to me to manifest whatever I want. And my person, my God, they never offered me anything. They were just trying to trick me all the time. They were trying to, juggle me. They never ever balanced our relationship out. It was always off and on, hot and cold, always making me feel like an option. So I don't want a brand new beginning. I've kind of given up the idea that there can be any stable brand new beginning here. I'm blocking this. I have my guard up. Okay, so person A, what action will you take towards person B or otherwise in your own life? I'll open later, Aries. Let's move on to the other side and see how person B is doing. Person B, why do you feel the Seven of Wands in reverse? Now look at this. Person A has the Seven of Wands upright. Person B has the Seven of Wands in reverse. This is somebody saying, I'm blocking, I'm guarding. This person is saying, I want these blockages to be removed. I want this fight to end. So let's see. Clarify the Seven of Wands in reverse for me, Spirit, please, for person B. Seven of Wands in reverse. Yes, they want a second chance. They want to re-begin this connection, something which is dead and gone, they want to revive it. So this is like Judgment is a card of second chances. One more for the Seven of Wands in reverse. Yes, they've been thinking long and hard. They're still stuck on person A. I think they've had that epiphany now that, person A is the person for them. And they can't move on. They're stuck on person A, literally. So King of Wands sitting here handsome on my table. You want to say something to us? Let's give him the mic, Aries. King of Wands, what do you want to say to us? They want commitment. They want to get married now. They want everything with person A now. Not just passion, not just excitement. They want it all. Wow. Okay, that's not enough. King of Wands, let's take one more for you. One more for King of Wands, please. They're recognizing that they've really delayed maybe taking action towards the soulmate connection, and they are fearing now that they've probably lost it because now they're seeing their person sitting in their power. They feel my person is the person, queen above all queens. And what did I do? I delayed moving towards the soulmate which was gifted to me from the universe. Now they do want to take action, Aries. This person sees their partner as the person they want to have growth and fertility and abundance long term. This is not like just a fling or an affair. This is like, I want to be with this person forever. So what happened in the recent past for you to change your mind, person B? What happened here? Page of Pentacles in reverse. Things were very stagnant. Things became very stagnant. Why? Because they couldn't make up their mind. They were maybe in their Knight of Wands energy in the recent past, where they thought that they could have many options. They could just jump in and out of, bed probably with 100 other various people, and they didn't want to commit, and because of that things became stagnant. Person A probably knew their worth, is showing up as the Emperor, Empress, and they said, hey, hell no, if you're going to be a Knight of Wands in my life, I'm not interested. Yes, they couldn't decide. They had options, or they were pulled in two different directions, or maybe they just didn't want to see this connection to be the powerful connection that it was. But in the recent past, I think something has come over person B, Aries, because the Devil is now in reverse. Yes, they... Okay, one more. Alright, so whatever conflict has happened between the two of you, Aries, has actually opened their eyes. This fight that's happened between the two of you, now they don't want to overthink this connection. I think they've spent a long time figuring out what to do, especially regarding this argument, fight, or whatever has happened. This person is more and more recognizing that, yes, I've breadcrumbed my person, but now when I look at them glowing, looking so great, I've recognized this is the person I want to have equal give and take, right? Now they want to release all their toxic attachments, whatever was keeping them held back, maybe working on their anger issues. But see, this is what they are feeling. Person A, if you are Aries here, this could just be a lesson for them, right? Just because they've woken up doesn't mean you have to give them a second chance. This is what is showing up, so I have to read that, right? So, but this person has learned a big lesson regarding equal give and take, about not being selfish, about not having stupid anger issues which can hurt another person. One more, Spirit, for the Devil in reverse. Yes, now they want to rebuild. They're recognizing that they were the cause of this tower falling. When the tower comes in reverse in a person's situation, like if I'm talking about person B, it normally means that this person is very aware that they never built a foundation and they allowed this connection to crumble. Now this person is wanting to rebuild. They want to rebuild the structure which has fallen apart. And now they want to actually build it with equal give and take and take the proper steps. And they basically, because they can't sleep at night at all. All they keep thinking about is that disruption or fight or whatever happened between the two of you. So person B, how do you feel about this connection now? High Priestess in reverse. What's this High Priestess in reverse for person B, Spirit? Oh, person B feels that everything has come to light. Everything has come to light. Maybe somebody behaved with a lot of anger issues. There was coldness between the two of you. You both actually could have said something mean to each other. Both of you seem very, very angry. I mean, the King of Swords in reverse, very cold, harsh words could have been exchanged. Queen of Wands in reverse, again, anger issues. So both of you could have, something was like came out, tumbling out of both your mouths, I think, which created this fight. And somewhere they're feeling quite bad about the part they played in it. They feel, I totally rogered this connection. I killed it. But heart of hearts, person B doesn't want this to end. Death in reverse. I don't want this to end. So maybe they want to come back and speak some truth about why this happened. Can we, end this past cycle of pain and hurt between the two of us? But they're a little worried that the their person may be still upset and angry with their past behavior. So death in reverse, Spirit. Why does person B feel like the death in reverse? They are so scared. Moon, yeah. See, heart of hearts, Aries person B, the secret that they are hiding is that they want long term, they want marriage, they want the full Monty basically. This person is, that's the secret they've been hiding. That's what they haven't ever said. And maybe that was a cover up of, whatever their behavior was. They just don't want this to end, but they're very afraid as to how now to offer this 10 of Pentacles and this 4 of Wands. Alright, so let's see what action you guys will take, since my angels have already given me a card of activist, right? So let's see if anyone's going to take any positive action now. I'm going to use another deck for this one, Aries, and of course, this is the time I'm going to remind you to push that like button, because it really helps the videos to circulate, Aries. That will be a big favor to me. And newbies, if you're going to subscribe, if you're enjoying these readings, not only subscribe but also push that notification bell, so in future you don't miss out any videos. Okay, your next reading will be on Friday. Anyways, the love bites. So person A, what action will you take towards person B? 5 of Wands in reverse. Why is that an action, Spirit, from person A? Why is that an action? Two of Pentacles, the Tower, and the 7 of Cups. Is it possible that person A is the one with lots of options now? What is this, Spirit? Can I have another clarification for this, please? What's this Tower moment with the 7 of Cups? Why is that an action? 6 of Swords and the King of Cups. All right, so from what I feel, person A is getting themselves out of this competition. They are moving forward, leaving troubles behind into a happier space for themselves. I think this person A has been going back and forth for a very long time, waiting maybe for somebody to show up. But I don't know why I feel, but person A is going to do something, take some action suddenly. They may have a lot of options to choose from. Yes, Page of Wands. This person is moving towards something brand new, Aries. They may have a lot of options and they could maybe suddenly make up their mind to move forward towards someone or something else. I think person A is no longer in two minds. They are choosing someone who's actually going to be showing them what they feel, and not somebody who hides emotions. There's something suddenly that person A is going to do, Aries. Either they are getting themselves out, probably moving physically, I don't know. Person A seems to have a lot of options, and they may just do something very, very suddenly. I don't know what this is, but I'll take one more later for this one. Person B, any action from your end? 7 of Wands. Why is that an action? Why is the 7 of Wands an action? All right. Devil, Ace of Pentacles, and one more. And then Emperor. Oh my God. All right, Aries. Person B is very obsessed. Very, 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 very obsessed with getting person A. They are going to try one more time. I feel they are seeing things from a higher perspective, and this person is, I think they want to fight one more time. It's not going to be easy for person A to get away as quickly as they want to, because person B is now wanting to show up as their emperor and offer them this brand new beginning. I think it's going to confuse person A, this is going to be very, very confusing, that just when I was getting away, just when I was moving forward in a brand new journey for myself, there's going to be a tower moment. Maybe this person is going to come and express their love as the King of Cups, which is going to totally confuse person A. So there is action coming, that much is for sure. I'm going to take one more. Person A, any action from your end? Any action from your end? Yes, see, this was the King of Wands I told you on person B's side, right? So person A is telling me, if this person comes forward with this new offer, A, they're going to confuse me, and B, they're going to stress me out once again. When they come back, they are very charismatic, they are very passionate, and I don't want to get stressed out and get stuck in my head once again. I'm on the verge of this brand new journey for myself. So that's what person A is saying, that I won't know what to do. Person B, let me take one more for you. What is this devil energy and what are you really offering? Devil again. Aries, person B has the devil twice. Now this I have to clarify. What is this devil spirit? I hope it's not any negative energy that person B is bringing. Are they just obsessed, or what is this devil? They want a brand new beginning. They are obsessed that they want a brand new beginning with person A. They are now ready to offer that Ace of Pentacles, which was never offered in the past, right? They never offered it, and person B was on the verge of leaving or something. Person B may just come back offering everything, and they're addicted to person A. This devil has come out twice for person B's end to say, I want to begin again. I want a fresh, brand new beginning with you. So there is action coming, Aries. Of course, person A, you have free will. Just because somebody else has woken up doesn't mean you have to say yes to them. Please choose the correct path for yourself. Okay? Maybe this was just a lesson that you were meant to teach person B. So that's all I have for you for this reading. We'll check again on the Love Bite on Friday. Till then, love and light. Take care. Namaste, Aries.